Hey guys, this is Nathan and Tyler from Rev Rides. We're super excited to show you guys the new Segway electric dirt bike.
So today we're going to be looking at the X160. In about a month we're going to have the X260 as well. The 160's got a 31 mile per hour top speed and the 260's got a 46 mile per hour top speed. So check out our website and the link below for the complete spec list between the two.
Let's get this thing unboxed.
Okay, let's do it. Alright, so we've got a couple box of goodies here. It looks like we've got a manual, a quick start guide, some adhesive foam. We've got
Pin numbers?
These are torque specs.
Oh, nice.
Chain tightness. Okay, that's cool. The right side foot peg is not installed, so this is your foot peg. Okay. We've got it's like a tool kit.
Then you got a front fender, mud flap, and a charger. Looks like the charger is pretty beefy. And last but not least, we got the front tire. Gonna install it right now. We finally got this thing out of box and all set up. The app was really intuitive. Once we got everything powered on, we connected it to the app and ran through the initial settings. Of course, we turned everything to the max. And we were really excited to go for a ride. This thing looks incredible. It is definitely a mean looking machine. We can't wait to give it a try and see how it handles on the road. So that concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe because we're going to have a lot more content coming out on these electric dirt bikes from Segway.